Right, so last weekend, me and Nathan went and picked up another gearbox. So last night I took the tail shaft out, did a couple bolts for the wire piece, getting ready for today, putting the new gearbox in. We may get time to put the mini spool in today.
Fingers crossed this box is good.
Yeah, fingers crossed.
Fuck, just
It seems pretty good, better than the last one anyway.
yeah. The other guy the guy we got it off seemed pretty genuine. He does a lot of Holden stuff himself, building, and he's just done a 500 horsepower sleeper VESS. So hopefully he's good with us and hasn't given us a dodgy box. But fingers crossed, shield goes well today.
And there is a bit of a surprise. I bought a mini spool to chuck in the back of this. Yes, so to stop it single pegging. So we may get time to chuck that in today. Hopefully we do.
We should make time because that box should come out and go in pretty easy after already knowing what to do.
Yeah, I've got a couple
The
bolts.
hardest part is mainly getting the white piece of the exhaust past the rack and the engine, but that's about a 5-minute job each way in and out, so shouldn't hopefully take too long.
So while Nathan's doing that wire piece with the steering rack, I'm just gonna undo the top bolts on the bell housing over here. The bottom one's already loose. Bell housing bolts up the top are all done. I think
I've
they're
got one of the nuts out of the exhaust under here, disconnected the clutch cable, and
look at that spot. How annoying is that?
where the fuck's it going? I'm on it.
Oh. Them facial expressions trying to get that last nut.
Oh mate, tell you what, sometimes it helps.
Put your tongue out to the left, bite it a bit.
Yeah. Come on. Please be off.
Yes. Wire piece is out, thank God.
Oh mate, you're putting it back in. The second time I've done that now.
Yeah, I just can't get it. It's bloody hard. Bloody kind of a spot. They're already undone.
That one wasn't.
Yeah, probably not. Oh no, I did those four.
See the gearbox move.
No.
Watch it, ready? Between the gap.
Now just the cross member and the tail shaft cross member.
Yep, which is going to come straight out. Yep, pull it that way.
I'll push it.
Alright, grab that bit out of the end of the gearbox.
Yep, give me a sec. Oh no, that one. Oh, thank God. We were nearly...
You're so fucking lucky. Fuck me. Didn't that fucking give you a bit of a scare?
Oh, I thought something was gonna happen again. Like last time with the tail housing.
We're probably gonna have to change that again.
Yeah.
But
And tail shaft is out now, fully. You know, just undo that cross member and drop it.
I'll pull this one out.
Yeah.
Which is these 13s, I'm pretty sure. Which is good because everything pretty much under here is 13.
Good on your jam.
Keeping it simple, mate. Ready? Say fucking Jesus. Still don't know what this weird thing here's for, so if anyone knows, just leave it down in the comments. Because it's literally just like a weight of some sort, and it's just bolted to it, and it doesn't do anything, it doesn't touch anything. It's got me.
Yeah, let us know down below if you know.
Alright, where's the other one? Fuck, multimeters in the Falcon at Damos.
Bloody demos. So last video, this cross member was different as it was out of a VS, the last gearbox we got. So we had to swap the tail housing over because it had the cross member on it. But this gearbox is out of a VR, so we can chuck it straight in, which I'm happy about. What I've got to do now is get in, pull my shifter apart. Ugh. Bloody long thread on that, what the fuck? I just don't want to break any clips, because, oh god. There we go. Shifter is out, now it's just time to drop the box, which I'll get under.
Recording?
Yep. Do you want me to get it? So it doesn't drop onto you?
Oh yeah. Oh, okay. I need to go down a little bit. The shifter's catching on the inside up top. Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah, you just want to steady that end, and it's barely on the jack here.
Just gonna put the camera right there, hopefully that's an angle. If not, I'll just have to cut it.
It's barely on the jack, be careful.
Yep. It's gonna fall off the jack, I reckon. Oh. Whip my hand.
Sorry.
There you're right. Woo!
Fucking motherfucker.
I'm gonna drop the oil out of the box we just took out.
It's still full of fucking brake cleaner. A little bit. Should be alright, a little bit of brake cleaner probably wouldn't hurt it. It dries up anyway. Please no oil come out on this angle. Thank you. Maybe. There's a little wood here. Oh, you can't really see without a light.
Oh yeah, there's some metal shavings in there. Oh yeah, there is.
Wow.
Oh wow.
We'll have to get your phone and get a light onto it.
Yeah.
Wow.
There is a lot of metal shavings in there.
You are going to need new oil.
Yeah. Holy. That was only from a couple drives up the road and back.
One go to work and 2 blocks.
Yeah. Rub it between your
Shiny,
fingers.
that is. Yeah, you can feel it.
Oh yeah, you can.
It's not good oil. And that should still be fucking clean, because that gearbox was
Yeah.
like, that should still be, shouldn't be that colour. So if we didn't say before, we've just got to go down to Super Cheap, get some more oil for the gearbox, get some diff oil so that we can change the, well, put the mini spool in, and we might need to get a bit more brake cleaner. And I think that's about it really for that.
So we just went to Super Cheap, picked up some more gear oil, oil change kit, some gear oil as well to do the mini spool after we chuck this gearbox in. Just trying to put the box in, the spool came out.
Somehow. You need a screwdriver.
Yep.
Oh wait, no. Got it.
Let's see how my clutch is looking.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Had some clutch drops, has she?
Well, that hasn't heated up. That's got a few hot spots on it.
Sorry we didn't record. Gearbox is now in. It's been refilled with oil. Tail shaft is back in. Belly housing bolts are done. That's all done, isn't it? Just need to do the shifter. We're cracking the diff to do the mini spool.
Oh,
Put the mini spool in.
The nut fell in. Can you grab me a rag?
Yeah. So it turns out the diff looks a bit different than what we thought. We're going to do a bit more research before we try and install the mini spool. Unfortunately, we cracked the diff a little bit trying to get it off, but
lucky it's only a locating dowel.
Yep. So yeah, we'll just chuck that back on. I'll go put the wire piece of the exhaust back on, and then she should be ready to go for a little test drive.
Down the subway.
Down the subway. Wire piece is in. Diff is in. Nathan just drank some oil by accident because the pump.
Blow it through the hose, so it would go, and the rest of the oil in the hose would go into the diff.
Yeah.
And it was really hard to blow.
End up having an accident, but diff is what, nearly full and in. It's just the exhaust and an engine oil change. Just gonna see what my diff oil looked like.
Oh, actually, where's that?
Throw it out a bit. Couple of metal shavings from the gearbox.
It's just black. Doesn't look half too bad apart from the dirt particles that fell in it from underneath the car. Yeah, is that about as much oil as what was in your gearbox? Well, it looks like what was in your gearbox.
Yeah. Except that's been in there for how long?
Yeah. It's overall not too bad.
Yeah,
a bit brown, but
Nathan's just over there doing the exhaust. While I
a bit of a pain.
record the oil coming out. Wait, there's a tightening of the legs.
Wow. That whole thing just moved and made it so much easier. Literally like just closed the gap. Look at that, I just pushed that. All of that just twisted and went straight.
Wow. Bit black.
Alright, so we've literally just finished up with everything. About to drive it off the ramps and go for a trip to Subway and get a feed. Because I think that's well deserved. See if you got first. Oh, look at that. It could just because it's still spinning when it goes in.
Second. Third. Fourth.
That's a lot better than the other box, so I can fourth it to take off like first. We have gears. We've got gears.
Way better than the other box.
We only need forwards really.
Yeah.
Going on the first drive. Lovely.
Really smooth shift. Nice, doesn't make noise, doesn't do anything. That's how we want it. Down to get Subway after a hard day.
Taco doesn't like to work. Oh yeah, a little bit.
Yeah, it's a bit out.
Our local super cheap. Oh, they're from Victoria too. Oh, this meanie. Up, Subway.
14.
Subway acquired. Good. Handbrake doesn't work forwards. Oh, it works forwards, not backwards. Do our, whoop, where are we going?
You give it a little revenue every time. Gotta wait for them.
Yeah. That's our Macca's drive through.
Always get the weirdest looks coming out there.
Yeah.
Come on up your RAV4 lady.
We're about to go and see a mate that's putting what is it?
253 into like a 95 Hilux.
So
We could hear him from home. He's about 2 blocks away. We think it was him. just getting it started, so we're just going to swing by and see
if it is. We might get a clip or two if we can, but definitely try and get a photo of it for you.
see if he's out.
Yeah, we're just about to pull up, see if he's out the front. Yep, he's there. I'm gonna go and check this thing out.